Oh my fucking gosh. Make sure this is in 4K, okay? Ready? One. You can already see. How the this. That's fine. This thing is a real fucking top fuel dragster. Holy. And the camera's gonna die soon. I got another battery though. But holy fuck. And then you got the Camaro here. Oh my god. Wow. This is insane. That is called blast your eardrums. That's what you call going deaf. Sound is. Like right there. Perfect for going deaf. Yep. Oh fuck. Oh my god. Can I have it? What is in the window? What? Hi. What? Hello. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. That's ridiculous. Holy shit. That's a fucking massive supercharger. Wow. It doesn't look like a big engine at all. But it is. I didn't even look at... Oh shit. Super stock. $11,000 horsepower. Are you fucking serious? Wow. Fucking hell. That's ridiculous. I'm gonna go around. I didn't get to see all of it. And you got shirts here and shit. And then you got a fucking dumpster on wheels, piece of shit. Fuck off. Burn in hell. So, I missed this thing here. And this thing here too. And then this fucking thing, the RX-7, and then whatever this freaking thing is. Holy shit! What? And then those two, and then this other one. This one also has 11,000. Yeah, top fuel dragster. That's ridiculous. 11,000 horsepower each. 11,000 horsepower both. It takes 3 seconds to go from 0 to 500 kilometers. That's ridiculous. Oh, look at that. Wow. All right, that's it for now. Let's go to the other building. Bye bye.